In this video I'm going to show you how to get auto scroll on TikTok. So before this feature, if you were on iPhone, you actually had to go to settings, create special gestures, play around with it. I mean, it was pretty annoying. And now if you have an iPhone, I mean, this feature was already available on Android way before, but now it's also available on iPhone. What you basically need to do is long hold on the video and click auto scroll, and that's basically it. And once the video ends, it will automatically scroll down to the next one, as you can see, and then the next one. You can even scroll, so what it means that even if you scroll, it won't mess up the auto scroll, it will still auto scroll for you. And to turn it off, again, long hold, click on it to set it on manual scroll, and that's basically it. That's how you do it. It's pretty simple. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe, and also if you're new to the channel, leave a comment.